Alright guys, so today we're going to take a look at the ESR Orbit Hybrid Case for the AirPods 4. So right here I have with me both versions of the AirPods 4. I have the one with active noise cancellation and I also have the one without active noise cancellation. So with that said, you see how the case fits on both versions of the AirPods 4. So let's get right into the video guys. So as usual, nice packaging from ESR. On the back they have all their MagSafe accessories that you can get. So let's open the box real quick. Open nice and easy. Let's slide out what is inside. Nice and easy. That's pretty much all you get inside the box. Then right here we have a little note. I guess this is kind of like Care Plus. So you can get this if you want. You can always activate like a 24-month warranty only if you want. That's kind of like an extra Apple Care from the case right there. For 2 years you can get warranty. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, so right here we also have a quick setup guide and how to set up the case and also how to remove the case and also how to clean the case. But you don't need to watch any video or anything for this product, because in this video I'll be showing you how to set it up and how to do everything with this case. So you're in the right spot. So next up we have the case itself right here, nice and easy. And then underneath that we get some tools. So right here we have the cleaning tool, and then after that we have the case remover tool. Let me tell you guys, this is going to come in so clutch whenever you're ready to remove this case from your AirPods 4. So after that we have the case itself for the AirPods 4, which is looking really good. And right off the back, I like the fact that they attached the lanyard already, so you don't need to struggle to put in the lanyard on the case. So that's a plus right there already. And I got the matte black version, or the black version, whichever you want to call it. And right there you can see it is pretty nice, pretty compact. On the right side we have like a cutout for the lanyard, and the lanyard is already installed. On the bottom we have a cutout for the speaker vent hole, the USB-C port, and also the speaker. And then on the front we have a cutout for the LED indicator, and then on the back it looks really good. I wonder if this is MagSafe compatible. I'm not sure, I don't think so, but we'll test that later on in the video. And then if you open it like this, and you can see you get 2 magnets on the top and 2 magnets on the bottom, and these magnets are in place for whenever you close your case, it keeps it shut tight. So I'll be also doing a drop test to test these magnets to see if it will open whenever you drop your case, because the last thing you want is when you drop your AirPods 4, all the AirPods come out of your case flying all over the place. That's really not the best thing to happen. But that's pretty much it for the case. Really nice design. In terms of how it feels, it's not like a hard silicone, it's also not like a soft silicone. It's like a medium feel silicone. So alright guys, so the first version of the AirPods 4 that we're going to install this case on is the one without active noise cancellation. So to install it, pretty simple. Open the case like that, slide in the bottom part on the bottom part of the case, and then put on the top part just like that. I'm not going to put on the adhesive as yet because I'm going to put it on the one with active noise cancellation right after this. This is just a fit test for you guys. So as you can see, we have the cutouts right here, and as I said in my previous videos where I review other cases from ESR and Spigen, I wonder if they're going to make a case dedicated for the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation, because right here we just have 2 cutouts that are not necessary at the moment. But as you can see, the cutouts are really good, especially the one right here that is for the USB Type-C. So if I plug in my USB Type-C charger right here, you can see you have enough clearance for it to plug in and out, and your charger is not bumping in the case or anything like that. So really good job right there from ESR. And then on the front we have a cutout for the LED indicator, so whenever you open the case or anything like that, you can see the LED indicator nice and easy. Then on the back you have a nice design on the back. It's designed so you can open and close your case very easily. So that's pretty much it for this case right here on the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So I'm going gonna go ahead and install it on the one with active noise cancellation. So while we're doing this, I'm just gonna show you how to use the removal tool. So to remove it, all you need to do is get your removal tool and plug it in your USB-C port like you're plugging in your charger, and then put it down like that. And then all you need to do is just put a little bit of pressure and it slides out nice and easy like that. And then for the top part, all you need to do is put a little bit of pressure like that and the top part will come off. Obviously it's going to come off way easier because I don't have the adhesive as yet, but I'll be installing that pretty soon. Now let's install the case on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So simple, same process, slide on the bottom like that, then put on the top like that. Nice and easy, don't have to worry or anything like that. Now looking at this, I realized that they could have made the left cutout a little bit smaller because this is just for the speaker vent hole. It's just one hole, so you didn't need that big cutout right here. So I guess they were just playing it safe because it wasn't sure on how the AirPods 4 will be designed. But as you can see, the cutouts are pretty much perfectly fine. The cutout for the speaker is perfect. None of the speakers are being covered or anything like that. And then we also have a cutout for the LED indicator on the front as usual. And then the back looks really good. For the charging test, I'll be using the ESR 3-in-1 charger right here. I've been using this for the past year and it's been really good. There'll be a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. So right here we have a MagSafe charger, we have a regular wireless charger, and then we have the AirPods charger right here. So before we do any wireless charging test, let's do a wired charging test. So you can plug it in. Boom, right away it is charging, so you can plug it out nice and easy, and you can plug it in nice and easy. So let's move on to the wireless charging tests. Alright guys, so first let's start off with MagSafe. Let's see if you can charge this via MagSafe. Now without the case, you can't charge it by MagSafe. I mean, you can if you put enough pressure, but it won't stay there by itself. So let's see if this case will make it MagSafe compatible. So let's charge it. Boom, right away it is charging. It is MagSafe compatible now, but without the ESR Orbit case, it is not MagSafe compatible. Because I put a case on it, now it's MagSafe compatible. You can charge it via MagSafe. So good job there, ESR, for making this case MagSafe compatible. Now let's check out the Apple Watch charging. Now without this case, you should be able to charge it via Apple Watch charger, but let's see if you can charge it with Apple Watch charger while it's in this ESR Hybrid Orbit case. So let's slap it on. Is it charging? Nope, I think the case is too thick. Yeah, I think the case is too thick for the Apple Watch charger. Yep, definitely it's too thick for it to charge on the Apple Watch charger. So if it wasn't in the case, it would be fine, but because it's in the case, you can't charge it via Apple Watch charger. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try it on the wireless charger, the regular wireless charger. Let's put it on there. And it does charge right away when it's on the wireless charger. Alright guys, so next up I want to test the speakers while it's in the case and also the LED indicator while it's in the case. So let's play a Find My Sound. As you can hear it loud and clear while it's in the case. And you can also see the LED indicator while it's in the case, so no problems there. In terms of the lanyard is really good. It's a really good quality lanyard. I like the fact that you can adjust it however you want. So you can put it on your bag or on your hands and just adjust it to how tight you want it on your hands or wherever you want to put it. So really nice job there from ESR. I think I'm going to keep this lanyard on it, but you can always take it off if you don't want it on the case. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to put on the adhesive real quick. So first, let's take it out of the case like that. And then before we peel this off, we want to make sure the top part of the case right here is very clean, because otherwise it won't stick properly. So let's clean that off real quick. So as you can see, the top part is really clean. So now we can go ahead and peel off the adhesive tape. So just peel off the adhesive tape just like this right here, nice and easy. And then take the top part, make sure you're putting the front part where the front part should go, and just put it on like that and put a little bit of pressure and press and hold for around 30 seconds for it to stick on really good. So
a few moments later.
So after waiting around 30 seconds, you're good to go. So now you can go ahead and slide on the bottom part like that. And now as you can see, it is on really nice. So yeah, that's how you put on the top part of the case with the adhesive tape. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and drop this case on soft carpet. So let's drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. So I just drop it on soft carpet, and as you guys can see, you don't have nothing to worry about whenever you drop this on a soft carpet. Like, it is still in place, no worries there, no scratch or anything. The case didn't even open or anything like that. So good job right there. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and drop this on a hard tile in 3, 2, 1, drop. Wow. That was a solid drop test right there. But I'm going to go ahead and drop it again. And this time I'm going to purposely drop it on the side to see how it reacts. So let's drop it on the side. 3, 2, 1, drop. Wow. So I just drop it on the side, guys, and as you can see, the AirPods came out of the case. I'm gonna play that back in slow motion. Hopefully I can see something there, but as you can see, the AirPods came out of the case whenever I drop this right here. But the case right there is pretty good. The AirPods are pretty good. Let me just give you guys a close-up. So as you can see right there, the AirPods are pretty good, no scratches or anything like that, and the case also is pretty good. But just so you know, I did purposely drop it on the side just now, and I drop it really hard. So in the real world, you may not drop your AirPods 4 case that hard. Now, here are my final thoughts when it comes on to the ESR Orbit Hybrid Case for the AirPods 4. Now, in terms of your value for your money, you definitely getting the value for your money here, because you get a case, you get a cover binder, you get a cleaning tool, and you also get a case removal tool. So pretty much you get all those just for one price, which is really good. And also, I like the fact that you can get this case right here in so many different colors. I believe you can get it in titanium, black, white, purple, and also pink. So really good color options here if you want a different color otherwise from black. So the only thing I think you're missing out on when it comes on to this case right here is the Apple Watch charging, because this case is kind of a little bit too thick for the Apple Watch charging. But one thing to note, before this case wasn't MagSafe compatible, but because of this case right here, it is now MagSafe compatible, so you can charge it with all your MagSafe chargers, which is really good. But otherwise, from not charging it by Apple Watch charger, you can charge it pretty much any way you want to charge it. And in terms of protection, I'm gonna be really honest with you, this is not the best case to get if you're looking for the ultimate protection. I mean, there is protection, but not the best protection like how you would get on an ESR Cyber Armor case. But pretty much that's just the real honest right there. You guys saw the drop test and you saw that the AirPods came out of the case. I mean, that was kind of an extreme drop test, but either way, I don't think that this case right here is the best case to get if you're looking for protection. I think this case right here is the best case to get if you want a lot of color options, or if you're going for a stylish look with a little bit of protection also. But yeah, that's pretty much my final thoughts on this case right here. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this case right here down below in the comment section, and like this video if this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But also, before we go, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.